Imagine a world where you can create stunning videos in seconds, without lifting a finger, and with the help of artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, but this is exactly what live AI video generation promises to deliver. But is it a meaningful technical category or just a marketing term? To answer this question, let's first take a closer look at what live AI video generation actually means. It refers to the use of artificial intelligence algorithms to generate video content in real time, without the need for manual editing or post-production. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume video content, but it's still in its early stages. One key point to consider is that live AI video generation is not just about automating the video creation process, but also about enabling new forms of interactive and immersive experiences. With the help of AI, videos can be generated on the fly, based on user input, and can be tailored to individual preferences and interests. This opens up new possibilities for applications such as virtual events, live streaming, and personalized advertising. Another important aspect to consider is the role of machine learning in live AI video generation. Machine learning algorithms are used to analyze vast amounts of video data, learn patterns and structures, and generate new content that is similar in style and quality. This requires massive amounts of computational power and data storage, but the results can be truly impressive. However, there are also some limitations and challenges to consider. For example, live AI video generation requires a vast amount of high-quality training data, which can be difficult to obtain and annotate. Additionally, the generated videos may lack the creativity and originality of human-created content, and may not always be suitable for all types of applications. Despite these challenges, live AI video generation is an area of ongoing research and development, with many companies and startups working on new technologies and applications. We can expect to see significant advancements in the coming years, as the technology continues to evolve and improve. In conclusion, live AI video generation is a real technical category with significant potential for innovation and disruption. While it's not without its challenges and limitations, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume video content, and to enable new forms of interactive and immersive experiences. So, if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest developments in live AI video generation, and learning more about the potential applications and implications of this technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates.